Want to know more about affiliate marketing? Read this now. The best ideas inevitably make the best products in business, and the best information, ultimately, creates the best marketing campaigns. Use this logic when you're getting into affiliate marketing. Seek out the best information, in order to have the best campaign. Check out the tips in this video for some great marketing ideas. Track all of the clicks on your affiliate links. Once you identify your traffic source, you can pinpoint what marketing strategies are the most effective at bringing in profits. If you track things like the number of views and click rates on an affiliate link, you will be able to see what works. Focus on the products that yield results. Affiliate marketing is a legit and sound choice when it comes to making money online. Work-at-home scams abound, but affiliate marketing allows one to control their own destiny, and it also requires little to zero financial investment. Affiliate marketing is not simple though, as few things in life are easy. Basic research and knowledge about what is available and how they work is important. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, provide your visitors with an explanation of the products that you have chosen to advertise. If you tell your visitors the benefits of the items you are promoting, as well as show your support for the items, you can convince your visitors to purchase your affiliate company's products. Nothing destroys a visitor's opinion of a website owner faster than a concealed advertisement. This does not mean that it is impossible to satisfy visitors and engage in affiliate marketing. The honest webmaster is simply honest and transparent about it. Visitors should always be made aware when a website gets money for endorsing a particular product. They rarely resent a straightforward advertisement as they do a duplicitous one. Even though it's common sense that you will need the correct information in order to follow the right path for developing your affiliate marketing campaign, you still have to take the action and implement the tips that you've learned here, in order to achieve any level of sustained success. Remember to use these tips wisely. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.